Working with battery-powered tools can be a lot of fun and also highly efficient. Shieldpro ratcheting socket wrenches are some of the frequently used tools in garages and workshops. When it comes to cordless ratchets, having one can certainly reduce the amount of frustration you would get trying to fasten or loosen nuts everywhere, particularly ones that are professionally or factory fastened. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 12 volts powerful 4-pole electric motor. Gives an exceptional quantity of torque in a small dimension, delivers up to 40 feet-pounds max torque to remove or install bolts or nuts. Number 2. Compact head created for tight spaces. 3/8 of an inches output shaft with angle head devices is created for simplicity of use in the limited workplace. Easily accessed to small and deep spaces for screw removal and installation. Number 3. Adjustable paddle switch. Adjustable paddle switch trigger enables us for easy speed adjustment by hand. It means perfect for a beginner. Number 4. Battery indicator. Equipped with 2 lithium-ion batteries which have a capacity of 2000 mAh. The battery indicator lets you know the level all the time. Number 5. LED work light. It features its own LED lights, as all natural light is frequently limited in these confined settings. Suitable for working in a dark environment. Number 6. Easy to control. Variable speed can be controlled by press trigger to meet multiple needs. No manual gear changes are required. Number 7. 2 batteries and fast charge. Shieldpro equipped with 2 battery packs. No longer worry about the trouble of recharging when the battery runs out. The latest fast charging technology shortens your charging time, which saves you time and improves your work efficiency. Number 8. Stable performance and longer life. Bidirectional heat output channel. Can stabilize the working temperature of batteries, prevent your ratchet wrench from overheating during long working hours. Stable performance brings battery life above the market average. Shieldpro saves your money. Number 9. Anti-fall design and slime head. Shieldpro electric ratchet is a wrapped rubber handle to resist slippage and vibration. Increase your comfort when using, suitable for long working hours. Slim head design can reach any tight spots to ratchet nuts and bolts. Number 10. Deeper reach and extension bar. Power ratchet wrench kit equipped with an extension rod that can easily access small and deep spaces for screw removal and installation. Shieldpro provided you with all you need. You can refer to the product detail for specific accessories, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.